In Cherokee County, the fine for speeding is $17 for each mile per hour the driver is traveling over the posted speed limit. In Cherokee County, Kirk was fined $221 for speeding on a road with a posted speed limit of 30 miles per hour. Kirk was fined for traveling at what speed in miles per hour? If you want to try to work this problem on your own, you can pause the video now. Okay, so we're going to try to create some kind of equation that helps us find how much Kirk was speeding by. Now let's set up a table of values to kind of get a picture of what's going on here. I'm going to let X represent how much I was speeding by. So that's going to be my speed over the speed limit. And then I'm going to let my Y's be how much did I have to pay in ticket cost. So the cost of my ticket. So if I was going 0 miles over the speed limit, the cost would be $0. Now if I was going 1 mile over the speed limit and I got pulled over, they would charge me $17 for being 1 mile over the speed limit. Now what if I was 2 miles per hour over? Well, they would charge me an additional $17, which is 17 plus 17, or $34. So what's happening here? My Y's are going up by 17 as my X's are going up by 1. So if I think about the slope of my line, it would be that 17 over 1. Change in Y over change in X. So I could find the cost that I'm going to have to pay is equal to 17 times X, which is how many miles per hour I'm over. Now I know in this situation that my cost is what? My cost is $221. So I'm going to plug that in as my Y because, hey, I know how much I'm having to pay in the end. So that would be $221 is equal to 17X. And now the X represents how many miles per hour I was over the speed limit. So I'm going to divide both sides by 17. When I do that, that gives me X is equal to 13. So 13 is not how fast I was going. 13 is how many miles per hour I was over the speed limit. So it tells me the posted speed limit was 30, and I was going 13 miles per hour over that, which means what speed was Kirk traveling at? He was traveling at 30 plus 13, or 43 miles per hour. So my correct answer there should be H.